Hi, I'm celebrity animal lover Sarah McLachlan. Join me as we make history today using this device. We will be able to hear the innermost thoughts and feelings of nature's most treasured, delicate creatures. The butterflies. Let's make history now.
Oh, learn the flutter, you goddamn fruit fly.
Suck on this long antenna, you piece of shit.
Hey, your mother sure did last night.
You leave our mother out of this.
Yeah,
Suck on
your
my
sister's
butterfly
ass.
dick. I will shit on your head.
Disgusting.
How's my ass taste? Yeah, you want this? You want this proboscis right now, don't you? Oh yeah, I can see like how curvy my proboscis is.
It's even more beautiful than we could ever have imagined. I'm Sarah McLachlan. Join us next time for dolphins.